Is it lame if I actually wear the lab coat? The martech space is really, really tough. If you've ever seen that super graphic, there's around 8,000 marketing technologies out there. Most of them have very little differentiation. There's a lot of very similar messaging out there, a lot of corporate jargon and not a whole lot of personality. There's a lot of people playing to multiple audiences. There's a lot of brands simply not being honest about what their products do. A lot of these tools just let marketers prove their worth and leave on time. And there's nothing wrong with that. Martech brands are awesome at helping other marketers, but they're not so good at marketing themselves. This guide was really our way of exploring why that is and to just provide people with a couple of shortcuts to building a memorable martech brand.